Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. We are at the end of Module 3. As usual, here to talk about songs you can pick up, practice routine and when to move to next module. We now got 2 more chords in our bucket. So some more songs opening up in our way. And most importantly, we got some ideas about how minor chords sound in general. We have new songs that uses only these two new chords and mix of chords with D, G and A chords. We'll go one by one. With only A minor and D minor, we have Moves Like Jagger by Maroon 5. With A minor, D minor and G, we have Summer Wine by Hazelwood. Lady in Black by Uriah Heep with just A minor and G. On ukulele, this chord progression sounds too nice, and in Guitarlele it's much more vibrant than ukulele. Natural Mystic by Bob Marley with A minor, D minor and G. Natural by Imagine Dragons uses A major and D minor, first in our series to shift chord shape. Try Hands On. These are all the songs I practiced with original chord progressions. Maybe searching over internet you will find some more. Wait for 2 more modules and I'll promise you to introduce you to literally thousands of songs. You can play songs in a campfire and may impress your friends and family with the skills and dedicated practice you put in by that time. Coming to practice routine, you should now be comfortable with pressing strings and weird finger position on fretboard do not give you pain. You may still be having issues with chord changes, but not as worse than it was before. Strumming now should have become a lot easier for you and relaxed movement of arms should start growing from here onwards. Your routine should still be 20 minutes, 4 days a week, although you have less issues with both of your hands. The first 10 minutes of your routine is dedicated to chord and strumming practices, and the rest 10 minutes are for playing songs. You should devote 1 minute of chord check program for A minor and another 1 minute for D minor. Then 1 minute anchor finger practice for A to D, A to G and D to G. Chord changes in a minute each for A minor to D minor, A minor to G, D minor to A. Next 1 minute practice for our newly learned strumming pattern including ANDs. The final minute practice goes to Peter Gunn theme. Then play songs that include these 2 new chords. If you do things properly, 1 to 2 weeks should be enough for completing this module. The criteria for moving on to next module still remains the same. Remembering all the chords and performing 35 to 40 changes within any pair of chords known to us till now. You should also practice songs which has the new 2 chords and also a mix with old chords. That's all. Hope to meet you soon in Module 4.